Temperature warning light. What it looks like: a pirate ship or a key submerged in water. What it is: the engine coolant temperature warning light. The temperature warning light means that the engine is, or is very close to overheating. Some cars may not have a specific engine warning light. You may only have a temperature gauge with a red section, H, at the highest end of the gauge. If the needle enters the red section, the engine is overheating and should be stopped as soon as safely possible. Other times, an engine overheating, or temp, message will illuminate, sometimes alternating with a flashing radiator or fan icon. What to do? Never drive with an overheating engine. Stop driving as soon as you possibly can and switch off the engine to allow the engine to cool. If the engine temperature warning light comes on again, you probably have a problem with your coolant, radiator, or water pump. Drive the car at a low speed to your local mechanic. Warning: never open the coolant reservoir cap while the engine is hot or running.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.